course, whenever we are trading throughout this week, you should remember that we are heading towards the end of the year and to a new year, so we are within the festive period, so the market might not be totally stable. Okay, so you should trade carefully, and that is why you need the trending market for the week for you to know how to go about your trading activities. Okay, so before I go fully into it, I welcome you all to Qora Digital Cash, and if you love the content you are getting from here, kindly give me a follow right now, like this video and share this video with friends and family. Okay, so guys, these are the assets that we'll be checking out. Everything I'll be doing in this video is going to be from the higher time frame. Okay, so whenever you are trading, make sure you are able to balance between the higher time frame and the lower time frame. Okay, I will be giving the information on the higher time frame. Make sure you confirm it on the lower time frame before you go fully into the trade. Okay, so this is very important, because any little pullback on higher time frame can be a total reversal in price action on lower time frame. So we will be starting with Boom 1000. Let's go into it right away. So guys, this is Boom 1000. I'm on 4 hours time frame using the 3M trend milker trading indicator. If you're having, kindly go along with me. Okay, so this actually got to the resistance zone some weeks back, and of course it started selling right from there. It finds it difficult to break out below this support zone. Okay, so you can see it's ranging around there for a while. It's trying to force its way through this support zone in order to sell more, but it has not been able to do so. So it had a pullback, got to this region, pullback, got here again, went above this, the last high. Okay, and of course got to a new one, and of course came down, and this time around it's trying to go up. If it breaks out from here, it will get to this. If it breaks out from here, definitely it will get to this. But if it breaks out to here from here, then it's going to buy more, and we are most likely to get it around here. Okay, so that is very important. But if it's unable to break out from here, then it's going to pull back and may likely get to this region. That is if it does not get here. Okay, so this is very important, but for now this is still on uptrend at the moment. Okay, next asset is going to be Boom 500. Let's check it out together. This is Boom 500. This had been on downtrend right from this resistance zone, and of course we are unable to get some funny movements within this trend. Okay, so except for this part that range around, it range around there for a while before breaking out below it, and of course another pullback, another year, and around here before going down fully. Okay, so it had been more of a downtrend than an uptrend. Okay, so just pullbacks in between. It has gotten to another support zone. If it breaks out below it, it will keep on selling. If it does not, it will go back into an uptrend. Okay, so this is still very much on downtrend, except if it's unable to break out below the support zone. That is when it will go fully into an uptrend. Okay, next asset is going to be Crash 1000. Still on 4-hour time frame. This actually started the downtrend right from here, and of course it got to this region, was unable to go out below that, so it started buying right from there, but it was unable to break out above this resistance zone. Gave us the first attempt, second, and the third, and right from there is trying to sell back right now, so may likely get to this region, and of course if it breaks out below this, it will definitely get there. But if it does not break out below this, then it will go back up and try out this resistance zone again. Okay, so for now this is still on downtrend. Okay, next asset is going to be Crash 500. Let's check it out together. Crash 500 has been more of a downtrend than an uptrend, even though there are pullbacks, major ones in between. Okay, it's just where you're seeing it on the screen right now, but it has gotten to this support zone. It has not been able to break out from there, so it's trying to go back on uptrend. Okay, it started it already, but once it breaks out above this, then it's going to buy more. Then we are most likely to have it around here. Okay, so this is very important. So it is still on uptrend at the moment, but we need it to get to this spot and break out above it. Once it breaks out above it, then it's going to get to this spot. Okay, so this is still more of an uptrend than a downtrend at the moment. So let's check out the last asset, which is going to be Volatility 75. Okay guys, this is Volatility 75. This actually went on uptrend right from here. I remember the last time I did a video on this and I said it's going to get to this resistance region, and as you can see it has gotten there already. Okay, so played around there for a while, but it's around the resistance. It got there around there again and again, so it had another pullback, a major one, and of course went back up, was unable to break out above this. So we are most likely to get more selling opportunity, most especially once it breaks out below this support zone, and I think that is when the indicator will give us more selling signal down right from there, and of course more downtrend signal that right from there, and we are most likely to get it to this level if that happens. So this is going to be giving us more of a downtrend than an uptrend. So guys, these are all that we are able to come up with for this week, and of course if you will be going, if you are to be trading this week, make sure you trade carefully so that you will be able to make profits throughout this week. Okay, so if you love this content, kindly give me a follow right now, like this video and share this video with friends and family, and if you have any question, kindly drop your question down there in the comment section. I will be there to reply. Watch out for my next video. Until then, God bless you.